Yeah, we shall make maybe a curve.
Uruguria uyu ukite uriri marihi na njira ya thimu mathiete na mbere na kwigwatira ngumo hari ahuri biashara nini kuringana na ripoti ya Mastercard SME Confidence Index. Gicunji kia 95 hari igana kia biashara nini guku bururi-ini ni ihimbiirie marihi na njira ya thimu na kuonania bata wa kugacirithia ruhonge ruru.
Jugush said 50% cash.
Nikio Kambuni ya ukinyaniria ya Airtel iruguritie tafarira ya Bizna wallet rungu rwa Airtel Money niguo kuhotithia ahuri biashara kuramata mbeca ciao wega ari ni hamwe na kurumirira wendia wa o muthenya kwamukira ndumiriri cia marihi kuma kuri mitambo ngurani ya marihi na njira ya thimu gatagati ka motungata mangi.
We should get the go ahead so that we will offer the service again at no extra cost. The service come at no extra cost, because remember, in the past when it comes to satellite services like the URIA services, people were afraid because they were highly charged. I want to tell the Kenyan public that the DTC will come at no extra cost. That's a breakthrough innovation, but at no extra cost, and hopefully within few days and weeks.
Utungata uyu urongoreirie ikundi ngurani cia ONJORIA ANINI ari ni hamwe na atwarithia bodaboda, endia a thoko, atwarithia matatu gatagati-ini ka angi hari na itanya ria kumahotithia kuramata mbeca ciao na njira ya raithi.
And this is just to ensure that our customers continue transacting in a fast, safe and a more reliable way. Some of you might know we recently upgraded our Airtel Money system to allow us have a faster go-to-market, right? Our speed to market, of course, before the launch, before the system was slightly slow, but now, over the past few months, you've seen us giving out a lot more products, a lot more partnerships.
This is part of our main goals. And over the last few years, we've been investing actually heavily in expanding our coverage, making sure that we're building a digital infrastructure, and we're strengthening our network for the sole purpose of improving customer experience, as I said, empowering businesses and supporting national development.
Makiria mauguo Airtel Money ni adadorite mutaratara wayo warudishiwa cashback niguo kuguna ahuthiri kiumbe na ahuri biashara riu ahuthiri maricokagirio nginyagia gicunji kia 50 hari igana kia mbeca iria marirengagwo gutuma mbeca ikirite ciringi 100 ria imwe makihuthira Airtel Money.
The eligible transaction will be the P2P, person to person, the pay bills, the pay good, and any other eligible transaction. All those transactions you will get 50% cash back into your wallet, Rudishiwa. Of course, this we hope will give customers greater flexibility and control over how they use the cash they earn. The offer is available for every registered Airtel Money customer in Kenya. There is no opt-in, no registration required.
Airtel yugite mubango uyu ukite gutigirira ni magacirithia marihi na njira ya thimu na gutigirira ahuthiri ni mamukira motungata na uhuthu mari magitire na gutigirira ni magunika.
So that the podium does not block you.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Edwin Mbugua.